Today we will be celebrating Winona LaDuke. Her quote is, "Power is not brute force and money. Power is in your spirit. Power is your soul." Winona LaDuke. A home away from home. Winona LaDuke was born in California in 1959. Her father was a Native American born from the Ojibwe tribe. If the people of the tribe wanted to live together, they had to live in Minnesota on a spot of land called a reservation. LaDuke's father did not live there because he wanted to be an actor. Winona grew up being a part of the tribe but not living with them. Instead, she grew up thousands of miles away in California and Oregon. Although Winona did not grow up with her tribe, her father taught her all the traditions and customs of his people. Nature is very important to the Ojibwe tribe. They believe that we must love the earth and take care of it. Winona would grow up to fight for this cause. She would become an environmentalist, someone who wants to make the world a cleaner place. Winona goes to Harvard. Winona decided to go to Harvard University. This is one of the best schools in the U.S. She learned more about how Native Americans have not been treated fairly. She learned how land was taken from Native Americans and given to white settlers. This land was not cared for and hurt our environment. Winona became passionate about two things. She wanted better rights for all Native Americans, and she wants all Americans to take better care of the earth. Winona graduated from Harvard and decided to make a move. Meeting her tribe. Although Winona's father had taught her a lot about the tribe's culture, she did not know their language. Many people in the tribe didn't know if they could trust her. She proved that she was trustworthy by creating the White Earth Land Recovery Project. This project helped Native Americans recover land that was once taken from their families. She doesn't just help her tribe, she helps Native Americans across the country. She not only helps Native Americans get their land back, but she also asks our leaders to take better care of the earth. She wants everyone to have a clean world to live in. Why we remember her story. We remember Winona because she is a good example of someone helping a community. She didn't grow up with her tribe, but she still cared about them. She saw how they had been unfairly treated and decided to try and help. She didn't know them or their language, but her heart was drawn to them. She didn't stop there. She started helping many different tribes as well. She even helped people who are not Native American by trying to get people to take care of our environment. Winona inspires other people to care about the earth. Here we have a quote from her. "Someone needs to explain to me why wanting clean drinking water makes you an activist." We are now going to go to the next slide to watch a video that is going to inform us about Winona's tribe.